this is Palaksha here. Welcome back to my channel Palaksha Activities. And today I'm going to be making a caterpillar pen stand. Pen, pencil, you can keep it anything. So I already have this video on YouTube, like not me, but somebody has already posted it, but I got confused while making that. So I'm posting a new one. So let's get to work. But before we start, today is something. So I made this and I really like it. I forgot to paint it here, so I just put this glitter paper. I have this and this. So let's see how to make the caterpillar. I'm not showing how to make that. So let's get to work. Okay guys, for making this, you will need glue, some newspaper, some cardboard discs you have to make, a compass for making the circles, eraser maybe, scale, scissors, and pencil. So the first step is go down, camera now. Look, my camera is automatic now. Okay, so first step is I'm going to take this, cut this right from here, and then we need to cut this a little bit from here. And there's even on this side. Okay, so like in my last art and craft video, in this one also you have to make sticks. Like that. Go stick, go! You have to get rolled. You can't escape from me, newspaper. Okay. I'm gonna put some glue. And guys, you will even need glue gun for this, I forgot to tell. So here I have all my sticks. This should measure about 21.5 centimeter. And yeah. Okay, why aren't these coming aligned? Come align sticks, or else something bad will happen. So it's 15 till here. I have a small ruler today. It's 15 till here. 15. And then we have it as 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and a half. So my sticks are ready. I'm going to keep them aside. Take one stick. Apply some glue on the side. I'm really bad at applying glue. Okay. Stick these two sticks together perfectly. Like this. Take some more sticks. And you just have to take all the sticks right here so it comes together. So yes, I'm really bad at applying glue. It's going all swirly, but I'm fine with that. Okay guys, so I stuck all the lines. It's coming like a dwabno, a little bit. I put some lines here, if you can see, to equal them. So yes, and now we will put some marking on 6.5 here. So we will put it all around. Okay guys, now I'm going to cut this. First we need to equal it from that side. I use glue gun, so I'm having a little hard time to cut. can even use Fevicol if it sticks. Otherwise, you need glue gun for that. This work. Keep the trash aside. No need for a trash. Because trash will always remain trash. Oh my gosh. It's unassembling. No. Get stick. I think I'm gonna need help. Guys, I think the glue gun was a really bad idea. Because it was really hard to cut and it was coming apart like whoop. All the sticks were going here and there. So I think glue gun is a bad idea. You should use this for that work. So this next step is we need to put it around like this. And you might be thinking, will this be empty? No. This like you need to put this things. So I think I'm gonna try it with glue first. And if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna use glue gun. Okay guys, I made 4 of these. As you can see, I used 8 discs as I said and 4 of these things. And I even have a spare one. But I don't care for that anymore. Now I'm gonna stick them like this. But you know, like everyone putting glue and doing, I don't have to do that. Okay, so now I've folded this stick. First I'm trying to, like squeeze the stick. And I think I'm gonna stick it like this now. This is how you do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so I think I can do this work with the glue. So yes. Okay guys, so I spreaded this newspaper all around so I don't get fabric paint on that. And I'm gonna paint now. This is a dark green color. You can color it any green, but make sure that you use fabric paints for this work. So yes, I'm gonna paint and then see you guys. I have to make it dry also. So that's gonna take a long time. So see you when it's dried. Guys, I'm painting this from inside. If you don't want to paint it from inside, that's also okay. But I'm painting this for no reason. It's making a lot of noise. I'll sing nows. The paints I'm using is acrylic paint and they are quick dry looks to me. Okay, a little bit there. Coloring this from a little. Okay guys, I painted this. So yes, I painted it from inside also green. And have a close look at it. I don't know what my caterpillar is doing, but that's okay. Okay guys, so I've painted this like you always know. I just kept my googly eyes inside it. Let me get in the mouth. Googly eyes, come out. And here, I'm gonna stick them out. Like this, It's gonna look kind of cool, not really. So I'm gonna get my glue, my massive glue, which is closed. Let me open it. Now using fabric paints, draw its face. Draw its face like, draw it in whatever way you like. It's looking upside down to you. should flip it over now. Look guys, this is my caterpillar. I can keep my, like glue here. My scissors right over here. My scissors are pretty big. My scale also here, my pencils. I have one more glue I can keep here, I think. I have my erasers on the top. My paintbrush here maybe. So, yeah. So that's my pencil holder. Yeah, you can see it like that. And yeah, that's good, I guess. I really like it.